Hey guys, hope you're good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you how I package my scrunchie orders. So my client ordered 2 luxury silk scrunchies. These are the mulberry silk scrunchies in the colour Ivoire. And I'll also be including these additional gifts here, which are limited edition lightweight scrunchies. They're not available on the website, but I'll only be including them in these 2 orders as they're out of stock now. So if you'd like to see how I package these orders, please do stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm going to do is package each scrunchie in these cellophane bags, and this is just to keep the scrunchies safe. Afterwards, I'm going to make up the box, and this is what the scrunchie is going to be posted in. So here are the packaged scrunchies. Here are the thank you cards, and they have some information on the back. And then here are the business cards that I'll be adding to the package. So here you can see I've made up 2 boxes, and I was literally just testing to see where I would place the scrunchie inside the box. But I'm going to package it in tissue paper and also add my business card and a thank you card, and then I'll show you the final look. So here is what it's looking like, nicely packaged. I've also included a sticker right here. On the back I've also just added some sellotape to keep it in place. So here you can see that it fits very nicely into the box. Here I'm just adding my thank you card and also my business card, and we're ready to go. So here I've cut some of the packing tape. This is the type of packing tape that you wet on the back and then you stick it onto your box and it stays put. So I got this from stickermule.co.uk. It's really good. You can check out one of my previous videos to see my review on this. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet the back and then stick it onto the box. So here is what they look like once I put the packing tape on top. This is what the back looks like, and I'll be adding the packing label right in the middle here. So here I'm weighing the package and it's coming up to 86, 87. So I'm just going to round it up to 90, and that's important because you need it for the packaging slip information. So here you can see that I'm ordering the packing label from Royal Mail. So I put in the details here for the size of the letter and all the other delivery details as well. Obviously I'm just covering the details for privacy reasons, but the next step is to print it on the Dymo label printer, stick it to the packet, and then I'm done. Also, you want to just make sure that when you do print on the Dymo label printer that you change the dimensions to 6" by 4", and that will make sure that the packing label is the same size as the Dymo label stickers. And here are the finished boxes.